Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a copycat of StarBucks egg white bites that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this delicious egg white bite cat of StarBucks. These are the ingredients: salt, black pepper, bacon, mozzarella cheese, cottage cheese, egg whites, and of course a cupcake mold. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I want to start first with the bacon, and I have cubed the bacon in very small little pieces. Look at this. This is exactly how you want your bacon. And now let's go to the stove. I am preheating a pan where I am going to cook the bacon. I don't want it too crispy. I just want it golden brown. And this really doesn't take too long. But let me tell you, with this recipe, I am able to make about 12 egg white bites. Of course, when you go and you buy them at StarBucks, for 2 egg white bites, you pay $4.75. And here we are going to spend about $6 making 12 individual egg white bites that I know you guys are really going to love. When you are in a rush taking the kids to school, you could have them pre-made. You could make them, put them in the refrigerator, and when you are ready to walk out the door, you have something delicious, moist, crispy from the outside, but yet nice and fluffy from the inside. Well, now I am ready. I am ready to add everything into my blender. I have the cottage cheese. Remember that you have all the ingredients in the description box. But here I want to show you step by step how to make this copycat egg white bites at home. I'm adding the mozzarella cheese. I'm adding the egg whites. And of course, I'm going to add the salt and the black pepper. And this is to taste. Of course, I'm leaving all the ingredients in the description box. We are going to blend for about 30 to 35 seconds. You want to make sure that everything is really incorporated and you have created this nice and fluffy. Look at this. And why not add it to your blender? Remember, 30 to 35 seconds. And then this is ready. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing recipe at home, copycat StarBucks, you are going to continue making these delicious egg white bites. Here I'm showing you how to make the ones with bacon. It really doesn't take too long. Just be patient and make it at home, and I am sure you're going to love and enjoy this recipe. Well, here I have my cupcake molds, which I'm going to add some baking spray right on each one. Be very generous so they don't stick. I am preheating my oven to 375, and I am going to cook them only for 23 minutes, no more than that. This mixture is going to be enough for 12 egg white bites. Look at this. I am sure you and your family, especially the kids, are really going to love this protein egg white bites with bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? I love bacon. My kids love bacon. And this is an easy recipe. And of course, I am making for my whole family. 2 for each person. We are 6 in this household. Of course, I'm not spending for every single one, $4.75. I'm actually just spending $6 for everything. Why not make it at home? You add what your family really loves into these protein egg white bites. Here I'm adding the protein, which is the bacon. I'm adding it inside, and be very generous. Remember to always preheat your oven 375, and they're gonna go in the oven only for 23 minutes. They're gonna come out really fluffy, really crispy from the outside, but yet really soft, moist, and fluffy from the inside. The cottage cheese really gives this egg white bites the flavor, the sponginess in the inside, just perfection made at home. After the 23 minutes, look at them. They are nice and crispy from the outside. They're really fluffy. We're gonna let them rest for about 6 minutes. And of course, after the 6 minutes, you are ready to pull them out and enjoy them. And if you wanna make a batch and put it in the refrigerator for the next day, do it. Because let me tell you, you could warm them up really good, very easy on the microwave, and they're gonna taste like if you just made them. Look at this. They're really crispy from both sides and the edges, and they release from the pan very easily. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe so you are part of my family. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this copycat egg bites from StarBucks. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Look at this. Very easy to prepare. I added some ketchup and I am ready to enjoy. Excuse me. Very soft from the inside, nice and spongy. There's no need to spend so much money when you can make them at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing egg white bites. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.